ProR Round is one of a variety of products in the ProR duct system line that was born out of the need for a more durable, efficient, and easier to install duct. ProR Round takes the same elements of durability, efficiency, and ease of install found in our other ProR products, but combines it with the advantages of round duct systems, along with best-in-class R values up to R45, utilizing a tough metal exterior and an efficient interior insulation. It's built to last while also being energy efficient. ProR Round is available with a variety of exterior cladding types, such as aluminum, steel, stainless steel, paint grip, and galvanized steel. It also has a wide variety of pre-finished color options. Interior lining options include galvanized steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. While it's designed to withstand the abuse of outdoor applications, ProR Round is also great for indoor applications. It utilizes an innovative flange design that makes it easy for contractors to install. There's no caulking, gluing, or taping like other brands of phenolic duct systems require. If you're looking for a duct system that's going to save cost, installation time, while also being extremely durable and energy efficient, check out ProR Round. You can learn more about ProR Round and our other ProR products at prorduct.com.